Hello guys, I am in the same paddy field which you have seen in the first episode. From here, I started my first episode of this series. So this is my last episode. I just wanted to wind off from the same place which I started from my first episode. Even though the whole series had a lukewarm response from you guys, but it doesn't deter my ambition to move forward. I'll be making more videos, tons of videos which people you like, and I'll just try to improve myself every aspect, videography, cinematography. And let's jump into the video. Watch the video until end. I'm making a big announcement at the end, so in between that I'll be sharing tons of information regarding the Munnar in this video, since it's the last episode, how to reach Munnar, those things. So watch the video until end. We'll come back to the video in a moment. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon, ring that bell icon, train. So let's jump into the video. So guys, we are walking from the you have seen Mattupetti Dam in the last episode. From here we are walking towards the tea factory, which is just 250 meters away from the Mattupetti Dam. So it's beautiful scene everywhere. So we are in front of Mattupetti. So guys, we are at the tea factory which is very near to Mattupetti Dam. But unfortunately they said that the security person said that the visitors are not allowed inside the tea factory due to COVID. So we can only explore the factory outlet, which you can see here. Lots of flavors of tea like vanilla, chocolate tea and green tea. As you can see guys, there are tons of teas on the shelf. Like, it's very hard to list any of them. The main advantage of buying from here is that it's a fresh one, so directly from the factory outlets, and there is a lot of people who are buying it, and the stocks are getting rolled out. So the freshness is guaranteed for you always when you buy from these outlets. And one more thing, they are not sponsoring anything for me. For myself, I bought 1 kilo of tea powder from the same outlet, which was good. So I'm recommending this for you guys. Tea factory, and now we are moving towards the photo point, but unfortunately since our schedule is running very late, and we'll be not stopping at the conductor informed us we'll be not able to stop at the photo point because it's already late, and it's 6:30 now, so they need to give the bus back to the depot. So we'll be not stopping at photos point, and we are heading directly towards the bus depot. And on the way you can see that hairpin curves and beautiful Munnar views. This is the last views which you are getting, and it's very difficult to shoot from when the bus is moving and in the hairpins. So even though it's a great struggle, I hope I made some point of justice to the video. You can see that it's very difficult to shoot all these things. There is a lot of shakes involved in the video, but you need to be very stable holding the film or holding the camera. So guys, I'm recommending you guys to visit Munnar once in a lifetime. It's very beautiful. It's not just a destination in the Munnar, the tourist places, but the whole of Munnar while you are traveling through the Munnar. Like, it's very beautiful. That's why I just shot all those beautiful landscape, everything for you guys to give an idea how beautiful the Munnar it is. And even adding the climate, the climate is very awesome. It's very cool over here. Even during the noon also it's very cool, so can enjoy the Munnar at the max. And there is also a myth like Munnar is for only luxury travel. No, Munnar, the stay you can get for 100 rupees, which is in the sleeper bus. In case Kerala Transport Depot, where you can get 100 rupees per night. You can sleep in a sleeper bus. They have different cabins there. It's recommended for bachelors who are solo travelers and those guys. So all like couch surfing, there is not much active in Munnar as of now. Rooms available for very low budget, and for luxury also you have very good resorts in Munnar. You can choose as per as your budget, guys. Now you can roam in KSRTC bus if you are on a Kerala State Transport sightseeing bus, which I have done the video now. So if you are on a low budget, if you have budget, you can hire a jeep, or you can hire a taxi, which will be much more costlier when compared to this. So if you are around 5-6 persons, you can hire a taxi, which will cost you from 1,700 upwards.
സൈറ്റ് മൂന്നാർ സൈറ്റ് അപ്പോൾ രാവിലെ ഞങ്ങൾ 9 മണിക്ക് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് ആദ്യം ടീ മ്യൂസിയം കൊണ്ടുപോയിട്ട് അത് ടീ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാക്കണത്, മൂന്നാർ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായത്, എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കും. ടീ മ്യൂസിയമാണ്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നേരെ ടോപ്പ് പിന്നെ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കുണ്ടലിലേക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എക്കോ പോയിന്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് മാട്ടുപ്പെട്ടി ഡാം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഫാക്ടറി ഉണ്ട്. ഫാക്ടറി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഫ്ലോർ ഗാർഡൻ, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഫോട്ടോ പോയിന്റ്, എല്ലാ സ്ഥലവും കാണിച്ച് ഞങ്ങൾ രാവിലെ 9 മണിക്ക് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് വൈകുന്നേരം 6 മണിക്ക് തീർന്നതായിട്ട്. എല്ലാവരും വരണം. ഭയങ്കര പൊളിയാണ്. സൂപ്പർ മാർക്കറ്റും പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ഡ്രൈവറായിട്ട് എല്ലാവരും വരണം. ഭയങ്കര സപ്പോർട്ടാണ്.
So guys, I hope you guys have liked the video, and next few episode will be of couchsurfing events, and also will be explaining how to couchsurf. So it's all for beautiful travelers who want to travel the world, and so you can stay free for any cities around the globe. So guys, I hope you guys like my video up till now. This is the last video of this series, and the new series will start after some time. And I'm making a big announcement at the end of the video, as I promised. You can watch that. Thank you for watching this video. I love you all, guys. So see you in the next episode. So guys, like my travel plan for 2021 is that I was planning from Kerala, the place where I'm living, southern India. Like I'll be traveling all the way to Europe. Like from India, I'll be crossing over border through the More border towards Myanmar, and from there to Vietnam, Laos and China, and from there to Mongolia, and Mongolia to Russia to Europe. So this is how my plan is. During this trip, it's a special trip. I'll be not using any flights, I'll be not using any hotels, I'll be hitchhiking, I will be staying in the tent, I will use the public transportation, but no flights involved in it. All through the land from this southern India, I'll be traveling to the Europe. There have been a lot of people who has traveled before, but there is very less people who has traveled from southern India to the Europe. So I'll be one of that. I'll be starting the trip very soon, maybe in the month of April. March will be a preparatory thing for me, for preparation for this. Lot of things I need to go through, lot of things I need to learn. I need to acclimatize with the various climates. So this whole thing I'll be doing exercise in the March month, and April I'm going to start the trip. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the ring the bell icon so you guys will get all the notification when I upload a new video. Ring. And if you like the video, please share this video. If you have any travel friendly friends or relatives, share with them so that it reaches more people. And I need your support, guys. Without your support, it's very difficult for me to go forward. So it's my dream trip. Hope you guys will like and will support me. Thank you.